Hello everyone. Happy August 22nd. Today we celebrate cuddly connections, sweet indulgences, and the art of expression. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Tooth Fairy Day. A whimsical celebration of childhood magic and imagination. A perfect gift could be a personalized tooth fairy pillow, a storybook, or a keepsake box. Got a funny tooth story? Share the memory. Next, it's Be an Angel Day. A celebration of kindness, service, and compassion. A thoughtful gift could be a donation in someone's name, a pay-it-forward card, or a gratitude letter. What's one kind act you'll do today? Inspire us in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Bao Day. A tasty tribute to pillowy steamed buns and savory goodness. A great gift could be a bao-making kit, a foodie tour, or a recipe book for global dumplings. Have a favorite bao filling? Let us know your favorite bite. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for September 26th to 30th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!